Hello to everyone, my name is Susan and this is my step 1. My name is Susan Rodríguez.
How do you spell?
Rodriguez. Rodríguez.
Where are you?
I'm from Colombia. I'm working and studying a lot. I would like to travel the world and meet new cultures.
How do you invest?
I enjoy spending my free time, play the violin or listen to music.
What's the best way?
Practice with people who have better pronunciation than me. The easier of learn new language in a short time. Over 400 people visited our library last month. The staff at the sports center are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. Candidates should select one question only from each topic area. All new students have to be registered with Mr. Clark by the end on Friday. Provided that all equipment has been collected and stored, students may leave the classroom. What types of company do the majority of its students work in after finish their degree? Despite some initial misgivings, the new laboratory has proved itself to be an excellent facility. Environmentalists agree that the continued use of private vehicles will result in a worsening pollution. Thank you.